So let's click edit this design or edit this site actually. So this may take a small amount of time. So as you can see, we are on this editing section. I know you are new and you don't know much about this section, but slow and steady you will learn everything. So it's okay not knowing these things, not knowing these buttons, not knowing this section. It's okay not knowing this. Now I have something to tell you that don't try to follow along with me. Well, it's good that you are trying, but also try to do something by your own, because if you try more, then you are going to learn more things. And the next thing is, don't you don't need to use the same template. You can use your own template. I'm here to just tell you all the option that Wix provide and all the feature that Wix is providing, and I want you to create the beautiful website without any guidance. If you are equipped with all the knowledge, then you can easily create any website that you want from Wix. So here are some sections that we are going to know. So the first section is this page option. From here, manage page, we can see all the page. So these are pages that we got from our design. We can delete these pages, we can rename it, we can do whatever we want. We can add more pages. From this section, we will able to see how our website looks in mobile. Earlier, I have told you that having a mobile friendly website is really important. If you don't have a mobile friendly website, then you are going to lose a big chunk of your visitor or big chunk of your audience. So let's click this and see how our website look in mobile. So over here, this is how our website is going to look in mobile phone. So guys, one thing I want to let you know that all the design that you see in the Wix, all the website designs, all the templates, what they offer, they are they all are mobile friendly template. So you don't need to worry that hey, this design is not going to fit in my mobile or this type of thing, because all the templates that Wix offers are mobile friendly templates. So as you can see in this template also, we don't require to do anything. It's not required actually. We can just change the text, we can change the color, and website is good to go. And if we want additional feature like booking or these things, then we can simply add those also. But from design perspective, as you can see, there is not much required. So this is really good feature of Wix, because most of the platform we have to change most of the things to create website according to mobile, or create a mobile friendly website. We have to do a lot of things. Now let's go back and to our desktop mode. Now guys, here save preview how our website will look. We can get idea from this button preview, and we can save and we can work afterwards. So from here we can save. Publish means that if we publish, then our website is going to live and people will able to see it. Here it's history. And if you want to duplicate or transfer site, then you can use these features. And from here we will have a good options. I will tell you this option later. This is about SEO, which I have told you earlier. We will know how we can customize it. Favicon is something that most of the time in Google Chrome or those web browser, you will able to see a small icon over here that is called favicon. As you can see in this icon also, in this icon, here is a star, here is this white star. So from here you can know what is favicon. I'm using Safari, so I can't view favicon because I think Safari don't allow favicon. And from here we can add our business info, social share. I have earlier told the importance of having a social media accounts. Tracking and analytics I have told you earlier in must do section. And there is one app of Facebook also, that is Facebook Pixel. It allows similar feature like Google Analytics, but that is for Facebook. Mobile friendly I have told you earlier. So here are few terms, here are few options that will learn by doing. So you need not to worry that hey, I don't know these sections everything at now, so it's okay, we will learn. So just keep following everything and watch every lesson, and slow and steady you will know everything, almost everything. So here are few options, like as you can see it's removed. Here was one toolbar that is removed. This is layer, as you can see it's added. Ruler, one ruler is going to be here, and from here again we can remove these things. Well, we don't require this. If you stuck in creating a website, then you can use these sections. Upgrade, I will tell you this later when I will upgrade this Wix. Well, it will provide us a domain name and unlimited bandwidth and extra storage and Google Analytics. As you can see, I'm reading all these section. Remove brand ads. Suppose guys, if you are using just free version of Wix, then your domain name is going to be like 12345.wix site or .mysite.com or .wix.com. So it domain name is really so much messy and it's not professional enough. And also they are going to put a lot of ad of Wix on your website. And if you are okay with that, then you can go with free Wix, but I won't suggest you. If you are doing a school project or if you are just playing around with Wix, then it's okay to have a free version of Wix. But if you are a business, then I won't recommend to have free Wix at all, because the first thing is domain name and second thing is Wix ad. So we require to have a professional domain name like mybusiness.com or yourwebsite.com, like a professional domain. The example is google.com, facebook.com. These are the standard domain names. And the next thing is Wix is going to put their ad on our free website, so we will not tolerate this. So I will show you how we can upgrade to the Wix professional later, but by this time we can know that what are the more feature, what are the more option. Again, from here we can save our editings and we can continue. From here we can preview how our changes looks, the changes that we have made, and from here we can publish. And if we publish our website, then everyone will able to see it.